Happy New Year, everybody! This is Nelca, Roco again, and it is now 2025. I hope all of you had a nice holidays. So, for this 2025, I would like to inform you that I have created a schedule for my everyday YouTube video tutorials. So, for Mondays, it's going to be Q&A. It's like I'm going to answer some of your questions either from WhatsApp, from YouTube, or from my emails. Okay, and on Tuesday, it will be basics of lighting. So it's going to be a little definitions about lighting, basic lightings, or lighting designs. Like, say, for example, what is the meaning of watts, wattage, lumen per watt, efficiency, efficacy, or candela, something like that. So it's more of basic of lighting. And then on Wednesdays, it's all about LED strips because I found out that there are so many views in my video tutorials about LED strips. So I'm going to add more about it. So it's going to be always on Wednesday about LED strips or LEDs. And then on Thursday, it's going to be road lighting design techniques or road lighting theories and designs. So I also found out that one of my best videos, more watched videos, is about road lighting. So I'm going to add more about road lighting. Okay, basics using Dialux Evo, even AGI and Relax. I'm going to use those software for this road lighting techniques. And then on Friday, it's going to be basic dialogues. So it's more of only in dialogues. It's going to be like a new updates about Dialux Evo 13 or the basics on how to use Dialux Evo. And then on Saturdays, it's going to be Luminere Selections because I found out in one of my course, the Dialux Evo basic course, or the Dialux Evo for Beginners course, I found out that most of my students are struggling to get the right luminaire or the right fittings for lighting design. So that's going to be the Luminaire selection on Saturdays. So go and watch it every Saturday because it's all about how to select a luminaire. And then on Sunday, it's going to be a book or a course marketing, like a book narration, because I'm going to maybe narrate some of the pages on my books and course marketing because I'm going to tell you or maybe update you about the latest course in Udemy so you can enroll it on time. All right, so that's it. Happy New Year, and I hope that you will watch all my video tutorials every day starting tomorrow. Okay, so see you again on the next video. Happy New Year again, and